Hi everyone, in front of me is LG Q6 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all we have to enter the contact list, so let's do it using the dialer and tap on the contact you would like to edit. Now let's tap on this edit icon, this pencil icon, and tap on this profile picture, let's say. And right now you can decide, you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or you can simply select a photo from the gallery, and I will obviously pick this option. And let's pick the photo we would like to set. Right now you have to decide where you want to crop the photo, so you can crop it using the gallery or Google Photos. I will pick Google Photos, so let me tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of the square and zoom in or out the photo. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to. You can rotate the picture here, so it's up to you, of course. And if you're done, just tap on done. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, so let's tap on save. And as you can see, it is saved on the contact. After getting back, you can see it on the contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually, this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.